Do a dryer repair today. You come home and throw the clothes in the dryer, it won't turn on. You turn the timer, it's not turning on. First thing you want to check on a dryer, these are all Whirlpool dryers, all Kenmore, Estate, Roper, Whirlpool, Amana. Good machines, but sometimes they got a part. There's two parts that go bad that'll make it not start. And I'm going to show you two of those parts today. I've already checked it. I know what's wrong, but I'm going to show a video. This might be helpful to people that want to know how to do this stuff. I've been doing it for 10 years. I'm an appliance guy. Let me get started and show you what I'm going to do. I have a drill with a 1/4 inch bit. I'm going to take the back cover off. First thing I'm going to do, because it won't start. We ain't got power. First, I'm going to unplug the dryer. Always unplug your dryer. That's helpful. But we ain't got power, so I'm going to show you what I do. 1/4 inch bit. Take out all these screws on the back of your dryer. Then you can access where the heating element, the blower motor is. So my dryer's not coming on. I used it really hard the other day, did several loads in it. I ain't got power. The first thing you want to check, you have a multimeter. You want to test for continuity. You can buy these at any hardware store for like 20 bucks. They're pretty simple to run. You put one outlet, one lead on one prong and one on the other. If you ain't got continuity coming in and going out, there's something that's blown. On these older dryers, it's called a thermal fuse. It's right here on your blower box. It's white. They pop all the time on these dryers. Why do they pop, you ask? Well, they're a safety switch. If your blower box gets full of lint, and they do, they get full of lint, and there's no airflow to the blower box that turns the blower motor, it'll pop this fuse. So, I've already checked this, and I know it's bad. I'm going to put one lead on one side, one on the other side. There's no continuity. You can see my machine. I ain't got no continuity coming through. I ain't got no continuity, so I ain't got power. So that's the first thing I'm going to check. I've checked it. There's no power to it. I'm going to put a new one on. It's got 2 wires. It's a simple fix. I'm going to put 2 leads on there, one on each side. See my multimeter? It's reading. I've got continuity going in and coming out. Now I'm going to plug power back in. I'm going to show you that that's what all this was, is it popped because this blower box had a bunch of lint in it. This is the lint I pulled out. I'll take this box off and I'll show you where it gets clogged up because the air can't flow through the blower motor and blow air. If you push your dryer against the wall and you pinch this air vent hose in half and air can't get through there, it'll blow that fuse because it gets too hot. It's a safety switch. It's a safety device. It blows the fuse so you don't catch fire. Okay, I put a new thermal fuse on there. I plugged power back in. I've got the timer on. I'm going to push start. Voila. I fixed the dryer. That fuse costs $5 on Amazon or less. You can buy them at your hardware store for like $15, but you get them on Amazon for $5 or less. That's what will fix your dryer. Don't throw it out because it won't start. 9 out of 10 times, that's what's popped, is that little fuse. It's called a thermal fuse. If this video has been helpful to you, please follow me and watch my more videos, upcoming videos. I will be loading more and showing more repairs on appliances. My name is Steve. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.